In this video, I will show you how you can use ExpressVPN. I'll show you step by step how this works so that even if you're a newbie to VPNs, you completely understand how to get started with them. Here's what I'll show you in this video. First of all, I'm going to show you how to download ExpressVPN on any device. I'll then show you how to change your location to anywhere in the world because ExpressVPN has over 94 countries available. I'll then show you how to set up ExpressVPN in the correct settings so that you're safe while browsing online, as well as how you can access different countries on streaming services and YouTube. This means you can access different movies, series, and content on the internet. Simply said, after watching this video, you'll know exactly how to use ExpressVPN. What is important is that throughout this video, I will not be using any difficult terms. I will explain it so that anyone can follow along. With that being said, if you do want to follow along this tutorial, I'll leave a link for you to sign up to ExpressVPN in the description down below. This will give you the best deal available on the internet, which is a 12 months plus 3 months free deal, which equals out at just 22 cents a day. But more about that later in the video. So first of all, how do you get the VPN onto your device? Step number 1 is actually buying the VPN. You can do that after watching the video, so that for now you can watch all the steps. First of all, click on the link down below, click Get ExpressVPN, scroll down, go through the payment process, then click download. You can then install the VPN application on your laptop or MacBook. You can then sign into your account with the details you just created and then activate it, and there you go, your VPN will now be ready. And the same goes for your phone, either Android or iPhone, or for example your tablet or iPad. For those devices, simply go to the store and then install the ExpressVPN application. If you want full tutorials about phone or iPad, click the link in the description down below and watch my iPad and phone tutorial. And here we go, the VPN is now installed and ready to use. First of all, let me show you how you can connect your VPN to a different location. So on ExpressVPN, they've got over 94 countries available with a few different servers per country. So this is the VPN, very minimalistic design. All you need to do in order to connect to a different location is click on the 3 dots right here. All the VPN locations will then show up. You can then simply scroll through or search for a city or country and then connect to that location. So I am currently in Bali, but if I want to connect to the US, I simply click on United States, I click on the connect button, and here you go. It is currently connecting, which takes just 2 seconds, and here we go. My current location is now in the USA. If I want to go to the Netherlands digitally, I simply click Netherlands, Rotterdam, continue, it's connecting. 2 seconds, and here we go. I am now connected to the Netherlands. Now, just to show you this actually works, as you can see, my location says I'm in the Netherlands. However, I am actually in Bali. If I now click right here, if I go to Singapore, click continue, it's going to connect to Singapore. I will refresh this tab, reload, and there you go. As you can see, Singapore now shows up as my location. So that is proof ExpressVPN works very efficiently. What I like about ExpressVPN is that it has much more countries to connect to than NordVPN, for example. For example, Iceland is indeed available. You can connect to Finland, Sweden, basically almost every country you can imagine or that you might need, you can connect to it. What I like as well is that they've got Hong Kong available, so you can access stuff in China. Now, before I show you how you can access different content on streaming services, let me do a speed test. Now, what is important, if you want to do a speed test, don't be connected. So turn off any connection, then click on these 3 lines and you'll see speed test. Click on this, and then as you can see, you can either do this with recommended locations or you can choose yourself. For example, if I want to do Europe locations, I can choose Europe. I'll get all of the countries to show up. I click run test, and as you can see, it is now going to do a speed test for Europe locations. The results from your speed test will then show up right here. As you can see, for each country, you can see the latency, download speed, and speed index, all of which are pretty good. What you have to keep in mind, and this is really important, the closer you are to a server that you connect to, the faster it will be. So for example, I'm in Bali right now. If I would connect to a server in Thailand, it's going to be faster than if I were to connect to a server in, let's say, Europe. So when you're playing games, when you're streaming, or whatever you're doing, try to connect to a server that is as close as possible to your physical location. That's something I found out much later, but that is really important. If you go back to the VPN and you go to options, you have all of these options right there. So there's many settings involved in ExpressVPN. Let me break them down in simple terms for you so that you can stay safe online. The most important one being the network lock. This is basically the kill switch, which means that if your VPN disconnects unexpectedly, all the internet traffic is stopped so that none of your data is leaked. Basically meaning that everything you do stays secure. If you don't have this one ticked, that might indeed happen. For me, honestly, it has never happened that the VPN just out of nowhere disconnects, but if it were to happen, you'd be safe. So make sure that you've got this one selected. Apart from that, for basic use of the VPN, what I recommend doing is either going to protocol and setting this on automatic, or make sure it's selected on lightweight. You've got two options. As you can see, if you choose the lightweight UDP, this is ExpressVPN next generation protocol, which is optimized for speed, security, and reliability. If I break that down in simple terms, it basically means it's the best option to stay safe while also maintaining a great internet connection. And then there's one more setting I would like to show you, which is the shortcuts. Now this can be useful if you're only using your VPN for, let's say, two things, one of which might be Netflix streaming, the other one might be a certain website. What you can do is add shortcuts. So I've got 5 shortcuts set up right here. However, if I want to get rid of Google Chrome and I want to add Netflix, I can click add website link. I would then add the website link for Netflix, click add shortcut, and there you go. Netflix is now added. If I click OK, as you can see, I am now connected to a location, Singapore, and then the Netflix icon will show up, which basically means I can go to Netflix within one click in the Singapore version. So if I now click on my name, what you will see is that automatically I have indeed unlocked the Netflix in Singapore. To prove that point, I have now changed my location to the USA, click on Netflix, get rid of this tab, and then as you will see, I will open the US Netflix. So that shortcut may come in handy for any website that you use a lot. With that being said, let me now show you how you can change your location to access different content on platforms like Netflix, Disney+, and even YouTube. Now this is extremely useful either if you're traveling and you want to continue to watch the series you watch at home, or if you are at home but you want to watch content from another country. For example, I'm in Indonesia, Bali as of right now, but originally I'm from the Netherlands. So I cannot access the Netherlands Netflix without a VPN. However, what I could now do is go to the VPN. I can then choose the location that I would like to access content for, which in this case is Netherlands. I would be able to connect by clicking the button right there. Here you go, I am now connected. I'm going to refresh Netflix, and then what you will see is that I'm going to be able to access the Netflix in the Netherlands, which is extremely useful because I can now continue watching what I would watch at home. As you can see, it doesn't say top 10 in Indonesia anymore, simply because I have now accessed the Dutch Netflix. Let me now do the same with the US. The US Netflix is one of the best ones, so I would connect to the USA. As you can see, that works. Click on the Netflix button, there you go. Refresh simply because it just connected to the VPN, and then what you will see is that I indeed unlock US Netflix, as you can see right here, with all of these recent new series, movies, etc. all available for you. Now ExpressVPN is actually the best VPN to unlock content on other platforms that I've been using so far. I have used IPVanish, I have used NordVPN. ExpressVPN never had any issues unlocking different content. Let me show you the same on Disney Plus just to confirm. For that, what I'll do is I'll sign out of my account. What you'll then see is that currently I'm connected to the US version, which then sends me here. So if I click sign in, what you'll then notice is that it sends me to this page. Whereas if I disconnect and I'll go back to my actual location, which is Indonesia, and I refresh this, what you'll see, I'll go to the local version, sign in, and then as you can see, +62, which is the Indonesian country code. So that indeed unlocks the Indonesian country versus, for example, US, the Netherlands version, etc., etc. And I do the same with YouTube. For example, I like watching football. However, most streaming companies do not have rights to broadcast the football in Indonesia. So I cannot watch highlights, I cannot watch the live games. But what I do, I connect to ExpressVPN, which then unlocks all the highlights for me on YouTube. All you need to do there, once again, is simply connect, refresh, and then all of these highlights will indeed be available, proving that ExpressVPN helps you to unlock content. Now with all of that being said, if you want to get ExpressVPN yourself, click on the first link in the description down below. You will get 3 months for free plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. The deal will automatically be applied when you use my link down below. With that being said, leave a like on the video and let me know if you've got any important questions. And you can also check out my channel for more VPN tutorials that go a bit more in-depth or very specific VPN videos. Have a good day.